Hey folks, so a lot of people have been asking about high capacity or standard capacity magazines in the state of California, specifically because recently the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals said that magazines of a certain capacity can be restricted and can be made illegal. Now, that left a lot of people wondering, what do I do? I currently own legally, or I thought legally, all of these magazines. Well, thankfully, the California Rifle and Pistol Association, in response to that in their Duncan V Bonta lawsuit, they filed a stay of mandate with the courts, hoping that people in possession of these would be able to hang on to them for the time being, pending Supreme Court review. Now, basically, if you're looking for the short answer, right now, you can still possess these. There's been some infographics running around that have kind of, I think, not been accurate enough and have led to some confusion based on when I posted and added some clarification. People were still confused. So you have legally acquired magazines in the state of California. I can use these in pretty much any gun except for a firearm that is fixed magazine, generally. Now, this is not legal advice. I'm not a lawyer, and I'm speaking very generally. So you have your firearm that is semi-auto, centerfire rifle with a fixed magazine. No, do not put these in there. Do not do that on camera. Do not do that in front of cops. Do not get caught doing that. You have a semi-auto pistol, whether it's rimfire or centerfire, and it has a fixed magazine. No, do not do it. Featureless rifle, go ahead. Your standard Glock, go ahead. Your standard pistol without a threaded barrel, go ahead, totally fine. That should answer your questions. If you appreciate me respecting your time, let this video play in the background, watch it later, whatever. Now, the Supreme Court, years ago, after the Bruin court case, sent the Duncan decision down. The original Duncan decision was on a preliminary injunction. It worked its way up through the courts to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court said, no, go get a final ruling, go get a final judgment. Judge Benitez came to the same decision. Magazines are protected arms, right? You agree, I agree. Final decision, final ruling. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals and the Ninth Circus judges disagreed. So now it's being appealed all the way back up to the Supreme Court. And in the meantime, we can hold on to these. If you're wondering what you can do to help, donate to the CRPA. That's the biggest thing right now. Donate whatever you can to the CRPA. I make a point of trying to donate any chance that I have some cash laying around, and I try to encourage as many people as I can to donate. I'm not saying you got to go throw thousands of dollars down, but if you got 20 bucks just laying around, maybe consider donating to the CRPA, because they do need the funds and they use their funds very well. If you look at how they put money that they get towards litigation and stopping laws before they get signed, the percentage of money that they spend vastly, disproportionately goes to the good things that you want, as opposed to some other organizations. So support the CRPA. Currently, your mags, you can still keep owning them. Yeah, I have no intention of getting rid of mine. I spent way too much money back in 2019, and that hurt real bad back then, and it still would have hurt today. So hopefully this goes good. If not, shit.